Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I'll show you how you can avoid or fix your keyword cannibalization for your website. So I'll show you one by one and step by step. So you need to follow this and also you need to stick around in this video. Okay. So here you can see, first of all, I added my first step, identify keyword cannibalization. You can use tool like Boostify or Google Search Console. Boostify is the AI powered tool, and this tool help us to understand top ranking pages, recent blog posts that are working, and also it will help you to show your analytics. And this tool is designed is very professionally and user friendly. You can use this tool, and here is the dashboard. You can see I already added my website here, and if I show you the AI recommendation and others, everything is showing here. So we are showing the keyword cannibalizations. So first of all, we need to fix the pages and identify the pages. You can see here is the top ranking pages here. So I'll go to the view all, and you can see here are the top ranking pages that are working well. So we need to identify which pages are not working well. So you can see if I go to the rest, you can see and the bottom, you can see some of the pages are not working well and the impression and other things are very poor. So we can tell or we can talk this. Here you can see if I click on impression, you can see here are the pages that are not working well. So we can talk or we can tell these pages are not working well. So these pages need to be fixed cannibalization because of keyword cannibalization. They are not showing in the Google. Okay. So enter your domain and search multiple pages ranking for the same keyword. So I already told you that I already pasted here my domain here. You can see here is the my domain, and you can see they already showing to me top ranking pages, and after that I can find out the pages that are working well or not. Okay, now the second step, check the content topic, title, intent or overlay pages. Okay, you can see here are my pages, and if I go to the pages option, you can see this page title, description, and also all the keywords that I have been used here, and you can see these full details you need to identify, and also you can overlapping all the details. Okay, then also decide which page to keep or prioritize. You can see if you feel this page is working well or if you feel this page is not very important for you, then you can delete this or you can keep to your page, or you can change some description, change some information, change some keywords, so you can expect a better result. Okay, so I already told you this tool will give you the full details about the information, about the pages reach and others. Okay, now if I go to the third step, you can see merge similar content if needed. I already told you if this page is needed, then you can use, or if you don't have any value for this page, value for this information, then I have another recommendation that you can directly copy this full information, and after that you can make the same pages with this information, and after that you can dispose or you can disable this page, and after that you can full copy this information for the new page. As a result, it will help you to get a new result for your pages. Okay, so merge page is very important, and adjust or update on-page SEO. On-page SEO means adjust your video title, description, and headers. You can see I already added here a powerful title. This called header, and you can see here I already add an image, and if I go to the image option, you can see I upload here, and here is the images full SEO I already did, and you can see here is the full information, and here are the keywords wise description I have written. Okay, and if I show you, clearly define the keyword focus on each page. So you can see I already added lots of keywords here, lots of keywords. You can see here is the keywords, here is the keywords, here is the keywords. So these keywords will help you to rank your website. So on-page SEO is very important. For researching keyword, you can use this tool. You can see here is the rank analyzer, here is the internal link and AI recommendation. All the details you can get from this tool, and you can see here is the internal linking option. You can see how many links are working in my website, and if I approve them, then it will be work, and if I exclude them, then it will be not worked. Okay, so here's the full recommendation, and if you go to the AI recommendation, then they will give you the full recommendation for your description, for your meta title, image title. So AI recommendation basically work for on-page SEO. So I think you can use this tool for your on-page SEO, because if you search in Google Boostify used for, then you can see Google will full identify or full answer your question. Boostify is a solution to boost your website ranking, attract more traffic, and save time with automation. Focus on your passion, leave website ranking to us. I already told you, if you added your website here, then you don't need to do anything, because this is an automation process. This tool will do everything. Like, they will rank your website, they will analyze your keyword, they will make blog post for you from the blog studio, and they will do the on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and others options. So you don't need to do anything in manually. Okay, so the on-page SEO is very important for strategic variation. Okay, you can see use internal linking. I already told you the Boostify. You can see here is the linking, internal links. So how many internal links you have used in your website, and if they are working well and the target keyword for your internal link, you can see corporate and social responsibility. For each page, which keyword is working well, they will fully give you the suggestion. And if you approve this keyword, then you can approve, or if you exclude this or if you delete this, then it can be deleted for your website. Okay, so you can see, you can check one by one, and after that, if you want to do any new internal link, then you can click on this and select page, which page you want to do, and here is the keyword, which keyword you want to add for internal linking, and then save changes. It will be worked. Okay, so thank you for understanding. And here is the option, de-optimize or repurpose competing pages. If you focus on your competitor pages, or if you have any competitors, then I told you already that remove the keyword from your competing page. Okay, and change the angle or purpose. Like, this is a page for your website, and if you are feeling this page is working well and also beating my competitors, then I'm recommending you regularly change your keywords from this site. Okay, it will help you to generate more and more visibility, more and more traffics for your website. So regularly keyword changing, regularly meta title, meta description, and on page and off page SEO changing will help you to get more traffic. Okay, here is the monitor ranking and performance. So for monitoring ranking, you can see, if you go to the dashboard, here is the analytics. So you can use this tool like Boostify, because this tool will help you to get all in one result in a short time, because this tool helping us to get the analytics, get the performance, recommendation, how many pages are working, recent blog post, optimize pages. You can see how many pages we are optimized, and also if you want to get the recommendation or tutorial, then you can focus on Boostify tutorial. Okay, here you can see, here is the impression and clicks that we are getting, and if you want to get the last 3 months result, and if you want to get it export in Excel result, you can. And if you want to do the email, blog integration, Google Analytics, you can integrate here. Okay, you can connect your Google Analytics, so you can get the full data. But my recommendation is that you can use this tool to identify all of the monitoring details and each and everything, because this tool help us to get the full monitoring result. I am recommending you that this tool is better than Google Search Console as well. Okay, so thank you very much. If you feel this video is very important, please subscribe.